Hello there, everyone. My name is Ixchel, and as the founder and director of the Oakville Art Studio, I am reaching out to give you our update on what our studio staff and teachers are working on during these difficult times. As you all know, we are shut down for operations to the public. However, being a creative place, we understand the need to have an outlet for everyday emotional balance. Expressive arts, such as music or visual arts, are part of the inner growth of human beings. It helps us manage stress, anxiety, or even loneliness. And at the same time, it provides us with tools for increasing our self-esteem and confidence. All of our instructors are preparing their best online classes now for you to access from home, so you and your family can enjoy and develop projects in a creative way. This platform is totally new to us, and therefore we will be implementing new ways to connect with you as this situation evolves. We have thrived, thanks to you, in this artistic community for over 11 years. Can you imagine that? I can assure you that our dedicated and passionate staff will continue to provide a valuable creative experience through our new virtual platform for you and your families. I want to thank all of you, all our supportive members, and all the families who have been with us for many years. We have truly grown together, and that has been amazing. And now, I would like to invite all of you to participate in the OAS Art Challenge. Every week, we will be submitting an announcement of an art challenge that we want everybody to share your creations by posting them on Facebook or on Instagram. And make sure you use the hashtag OAS Art Challenge. Make sure you tag a friend, you be creative, and we are super excited to share all your creations in an online gallery. This week's challenge is looking into what can you find in your house of recycled materials. Egg carton, buttons, if you find cookie boxes or shoe boxes that you might not be using, or yarn, anything that you can come up with for creating something unique. Our creation for this week was done by using cardboard cut into pieces in the shape of a triangle. From bigger to smaller, we got extra paint of primary colors, and we came up with all of these gradations. We used glue gun and scissors or X-Acto knife if you're older, and we made sure to have this as a composition for our art challenge. And remember, keep connected. Let's keep up as a community, and most of all, stay safe. Wash your hands. Thank you all for your support, and we hope to hear back from you soon. Adios.